This is standard work procedure 217, loading a truck with a loader. We are doing a pre-trip inspection on the loader for your safety and the integrity of the equipment. We're using 3 points of contact when getting in and out of the loader. When working on any working surface, ensure that a hazard assessment has been conducted to ensure that the appropriate scaling can be conducted safely with reach and placement of the loader being used. Stop equipment a safe distance away from high walls, berms, ponds, or new excavations where loose material could be a hazard. Follow the designated routes. Make sure to keep your loader windows clean and defrosted. Keep the cab closed to reduce dust. Clean loading area of any fly rock and establish a safe and productive loading area before loading begins. Level bucket and position it above bench grade. This will help maintain grade as well as clean rock from the path of the loader tires. Clean the loading area when waiting for trucks or any time necessary. Enter digging phase with loader straight and at 90 degrees to material. Never corner load the bucket. As bucket enters phase, raise hoist enough to apply down pressure to the front of the tires and increase the traction. Curl the bucket. Do not rock it. This will ensure you do not spin your tires. Apply acceleration to maintain steady advancement and not allowing any tire slippage. Use variable torque control where possible. You can use clutch to maintain maximum RPM when loading. The bucket shall be loaded by the time the bucket pins are at the same level and in line with the points and wheels. Back out of the digging phase far enough so when the loader is moving forward, it will allow enough time for the bucket to reach the loading height by the time the loader reaches the truck. The operator should let the trucks park and go to them to load them. Do not overfill the bucket as spilling creates a visual and airborne hazard and waste product. Dump first bucket slowly toward the front middle of the box. Dump each bucket in about the same place. A 982 is about 2 buckets, a 972 will be 2 to 3. When dumping the final bucket, turn the loader slightly toward the front of the box to even out the load. This allows for more room at the rear of the box. Make sure a loader does not pull from the same spot of the working face each time, as it could cause the product to collapse. Operator should move from side to side on the pile. Don't leave tails around the edges. Always look behind loader before backing up. Make certain bucket is clear of truck before lowering the bucket. Lower the bucket, level in position for digging, and repeat the procedure. Do not overfill the truck. Be sure you work a safe distance from the pile as stability may change as you pull from the pile. Do not leave equipment parked next to the pile when not operating. Stop operation if you spot pedestrians in the area. Unsafe loading conditions could include no berm or restraint, too small of a berm, an edge of a pile that is weak because it is over-steepened, an edge of a pile that has been undercut, cracks or slides near the edge of a pile, or a pile that is on a weak foundation. To avoid these hazards, the stockpile should be well built and the loader should take material from the entire face, making a straight line, not creating edge or tails all the way around. Other hazards include inadequate illumination for nighttime operations, poor visibility during inclement weather, and inadequate clearance between equipment and overhead power lines.